A cocky contractor that Rob Wolchek put in the hall of shame has finally been cut down to size.
After more than a dozen convictions this year alone, he's now headed to jail. Here's Rob with the latest.
I don't want to affect anyone anymore. I just want to work. That's it. I just want to work and pay, and that's what I've done.
Grab a Kleenex because James Ciamattero's real sad right now.
I am working so hard to just...
Well, sir, I don't understand why you didn't do that initially. I mean, your criminal record is replete with taking other people's money.
In January, I put James in the Hall of Shame. He ran a company called Maddox Construction. James told everyone he was a licensed builder, including my undercover camera person.
Yeah, what kind of license do you have, just so I know?
Builder's license.
Okay.
But James didn't have a license. He just took his customers' money and either did a bad job or no job. James liked to post lots of selfies of himself. And even though he was the one accused of stealing, he liked to play the victim.
I'm a victim of identity theft, and you have to...
Well, you're not a victim here.
No,
you're the defendant.
Since my story, he's been convicted of 10 misdemeanors and 4 felonies in 3 different counties. And he's kept me busy following him from court to court to court. And now he's in front of Judge Martha Anderson for sentencing after pleading no contest to 3 felony charges of identity theft in Oakland County.
The people are concerned because there's clearly a pattern here of deceit and deception.
In this particular case, James Ciamattero was working on a construction job at a family-owned business. Ciamattero went into the office, stole the banking information for the business, and racked up tens of thousands of dollars in the owner's name. The business, which had been in a family for generations, almost went under because of Ciamattero, whom they only knew as a guy they hired to fix up their building.
Until they realized what was happening, there were checks that were bouncing. This was a company that had a good name.
And remember, this is just one of many cases.
I was dismayed by the number of charges and convictions at this point for theft of other people's money.
Judge, I made a horrible mistake in my life. Horrible. And for the rest of my life, I will deal with that. Even with this on my record, I will for always. The embarrassment I've gone through with being on the news, I will forever always be known as that.
Yes, you will, James. Judge Anderson sentences Ciamattero to 90 days in the Oakland County Jail and orders him to pay back more than $15,000 in restitution. But at least he's got another photo for his collection. In Pontiac, Rob Wolchek, Fox 2 News.